Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and Hello friends, welcome back to my Segments World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this 3D flower designing using the normal stitching. So let's quickly start with this designing. I'll be using satin ribbon. This is of 1 centimeter width, and at one end we have to give the knot like this. This is to secure, and this will look like the rosebud in the center of the flower. So hold it firmly like this, and this is how we have to keep it. And here I'll be using normal stitching needle, which is number 9, and same color cotton silk thread for the stitch. These 3D flower patterns are really very much trending right now. You can try these designings to create the flowers on your plain sarees or dupattas designing, even your suits, or designing on the blouse, which I have shown in the pic. And you can clearly see here, hold it firmly and give the underneath stitches like this, running stitch. Slowly twisting and turning, giving the circular shape, giving the running stitch. Also we have to move ahead to create the flower shape. This will looks complicated, but you don't know how much these 3D patterns are very easy designing once if you know how to do it. So you can clearly see here the shape of the flower is just like blooming. Like this we have to give 9 to 10 rounds. It depends upon the flower size, how much you want to create it. The center one will be the bigger one, followed the another two with the little small size. The materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy or the tailoring material shops. Also the links has given in the description box for your convenience. Here I'm almost at the end, so I'll be cutting off this. Give a little fold and just put it underneath the before line, and also give the stitch without seeing, that means invisible stitch we have to give here. This way we lock the satin ribbon here at the end. So this is how the satin ribbon flower or the 3D rose flower will be created. Further, the extension will be done with the leaf work like this. It's the 5 leaves, and to another side it's 3 leaf marking. And for the leaf designing, I'd be using here 3D glitter of silver color. This is to fill in the leaf. Silver color patterns also are very much trending right now, but you can also try with the gold, copper, bronze. It's available in almost 6 shades, and this will take literally half an hour to dry. Once dried, this is how it looks. Now I'll be using the pearls to stitch in between these gaps. These pearls or golden beads or any type of stone work will really give an ethnic pinch. If you wanna try the fashion spin, you must try this design because this is very much trend. And as I said before in the beginning of the video, this 3D patterns are so simple. You must try these designs to look much more creative. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. Once completed, this is how it looks. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching. Please meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.